In this video, I will tell you how to hide COD when any discount is applied. So for this, I have used advanced cash on delivery app. You can also install the same app from Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out. Once installed, then go to the advanced cash on delivery button. Then click on limit COD based on discount configure button. And then you need to select your payment method here, that is cash on delivery. And if you have already added fee for cash on delivery, you need to toggle on this button and add your delivery method here. We don't have any fee for cash on delivery, so I am toggling off this button. So you need to click on this discount applied option and change the status to enabled. And from discount applied drop down menu, you need to select hide COD when any discount is applied. So I have already added this discount test 2025. So now we will test this on our online store. Just go to catalog and add any product to your cart. So now we will add discount code here, that is test 2025. Then click on apply button. Then you can check 200 discount is applied and COD is not available. If I remove this discount code, then COD will be available. See, cash on delivery is available now. So that's it. You have successfully set up how to hide COD when any discount is applied. If you like this video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.